Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee apple syrup. Start by washing apples, peeling and coring them, then chop into small pieces for even cooking. Combine apples with sugar, butter, and water in a heavy saucepan and simmer gently. Stir frequently and monitor temperature to reach syrupy consistency. Finish with a splash of vanilla and cool before straining for a smooth, richly flavored syrup. Begin by measuring sugar, butter, and water so your syrup balances sweetness and apple flavor. Chop apples into uniform pieces to help them break down evenly during simmering. Melt butter in the pan first, then add apples and sugar, stirring to coat. Maintain a gentle simmer and occasionally mash softer pieces with a spoon to release juices. Strain or blend as desired, then cool before transferring to jars for storage. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings playlists and timers right to your counter, making mixing and timing effortless and even a bit fun while you caramelize. It's a handy kitchen companion that keeps your hands free and your tunes on. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Control heat carefully to coax caramelized toffee notes without scorching the apples. Stir often and monitor the syrup's color and aroma as it thickens. If it thickens too fast, add a tablespoon of water and continue simmering. If too thin, allow more time to reduce. Use a candy thermometer if you prefer precise textures, aiming for a syrupy finish rather than hard candy stage. Cool slightly before tasting and bottling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.